that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. Just the little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little thing for you and I. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it.
What time is it when the party
In the darkness, collide in the night. I was heartless until my soul came to life. And I feel it now, want this forever. And I feel it now, you make me shiver. And I feel it now, want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. Can you feel it now? Want this forever. And I feel it now, you make me shiver. And I feel it now, want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. I'm longing, pull me closer to you. In this moment, we get lost in this room. And I feel it now, want this forever. And I feel it now, you make me shiver. And I feel it now, want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. Can you feel it now? Can you feel it now? Want this forever. And I feel it now, you make me shiver. And I feel it now, want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. Easy time, I kill the lights. You look like trouble and I like that.
both, you absolute utter beauties.
Alright.
I hope you guys are having
Alright.
an amazing day. I hope you guys are kicking it off
Alright.
good. Hopefully you guys are feeling great,
Alright.
baby. Give me 1
Alright.
second as I load everything up here. Make sure I'm
Alright.
good to go. We got about 10 minutes, 9 minutes
Alright.
to mark it open here. Give me 1
Alright.
second.
Alright.
YouTube fellas, straight after fellas.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy. I love it, baby. What's up, AK? What's up, buddy? So what am I loving to understand today?
To the
When I'm
rhythm,
live
most of the
and I'll
sound.
break down
Over
the
yo, cause I make the
ERs.
beats for the
Yeah, buddy,
underground.
that works.
Cause I make the beats for the
There
underground.
we go. What's up, Joe
Beats for the
Bob?
underground.
That sounds good,
Cause I make the
AK.
beats for the underground.
I hope you have a good day, though, bro. I mean, you're probably already done on the day. You know, ALLR, Catchnet, Son of a Gun, SMCI. Joe Fi, what's up, alright, this guy. This guy. This guy. So somebody get their man, bro. I get a little excited. Alright, buddy? That's my crazy.
Hey, yo, get
face.
him out, P.
So guys, we have a little bit under 10 minutes till market open. Let's go over everything you need to know to be profitable, successful, and just getting it on today, baby. Woo! So traders, we're gonna do our number one thing here, guys. We're gonna do our absolute number one thing. That's turn this music down first off. Turn this music down. I love the house music. I'm loving the vibes. I'm loving everything about it, traders. We're gonna turn it down a little bit though. So right about there, that's good to go. If you guys are good to go with that. So ladies and gentlemen, like I was saying beforehand, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, crushing it, etc. We're gonna go to the US calendar, economic calendar. We're gonna see. Let's go down Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Boom. We don't have anything until 10 a.m., guys. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, at 8:30 a.m., we had U.S. trade defect, U.S. productivity, U.S. unit labor costs, and also initial jobless claims, guys. This is when you can come over here, go to your economic calendar, your other economic calendar, daily FX. Then when you load this one up, guys, you'll be able to see what is high impact, low impact, medium impact news. My prediction is no high impact. Right. At 8:30 a.m., they were all basically medium impact news. What does that mean? Well, if you go to 8:30 here, you'll see, oh, it's not like it didn't have a reaction, but it wasn't a really good one, right? It wasn't a massive one. So we wait, we watch, and you basically are able to capitalize off of it here at 10 a.m. Right here's factory orders, another medium move. So right here, you can read about the description of what factory orders is and everything like that, guys. But other than that, we are good to go. We also apparently we have bill auction at 11:30, and then mortgage 15-year mortgage rate at noon and 30-year. Okay. So there you guys go. So going into today, YB, what is your strategy? YB, what is your game plan? What is your absolute utter, like, what are you doing? I'm just going to have patience. I'm going to wait and watch, and I'm going to wait for a proper EMA strategy setup to present itself. If that comes, I might take it with upwards of anywhere from 5 down to 3 micros. Why down to 3 micros, YB? That is a small amount. Why down to 3? I would hold that play looking for a 100-point move at that rate. I'd be looking for around a 100 to 200-point move. Well, 200 is crazy. Around a 100-point move in my direction using that 9-day EMA, right? So I might take that with 5. The reason is though is because I can have a weaker stop. So my stop doesn't need to be as tight. If I'm getting in right here, my stop's up at 504.50, but when I take profits down at 501. That's my normal 5-to-1 RR ratio. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, buddy. So we'll see. I'm just testing out a couple different things. Up nice from London session. Yeah, buddy. I love it. I love it, bro. Yeah, dude. London session has been definitely something, man. I mean, look at that view up touch right there at 8:30. I mean, excuse me. What is that? 8:29. Yup. Look at that little dumper Ruski right to it. No, it was at 8:30. Yeah. So you guys already know, man. You guys already know. Right there's NQ. Camus coming in. Camus saying, as usual, the family has been waiting for this hour, this minute, where we all gather to ride the market ship with Captain 3-bar ranked, the one and only General YB. Always ready to make it rain. General ready, Dumperuski, baby. They're just getting better and better, Camus. I love this guy, bro. Good morning, bro. I hope you're having a good day, dog. Let me get a good old gold medal, bro. Hold up. Let's get a gold medal in the chat. See if we got a. Do they have anything gold here? Do they have like a medal? Yeah, they do. They have a gold medal. Dude, there we go, baby. Camus making me feel great, making me feel hyped up, like a 5-star general in some army. You know, I love it. I love it, buddy. Oh man, that's awesome, dude. Up 20 points on a long here as well. Okay, so you're just printing all around. Okay, word. All right. No, I just wanted to make sure, bro. just wanted to make sure, bro. Okay. So, bro is certified printing right now is what I'm hearing. All right, word. I love it. I love it, dog. So, you're up at 85. So, you got in near this view up dip buy, bro. I love it. I love it, bro. View up dip buy up 20 points around there. Beautiful dip buy right there, right there. Came right back down. I love it. Yup. So, I'm personally just going to wait for my EMAs to come in. Just, you know, to make me feel confident about utilizing and taking that trade. So, yeah, buddy, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns before this market opens, we got about 3 minutes. Feel free to ask away. But other than that, we are big chilling out. Only a small position, though. Yeah, of course, we're printing all around. Yeah, right there. Yup. I'm with you, buddy. I'm with you, dude. You know, so, yep. Oh, no. I get it. I get it. Traders, we are chilling out, man. We are big chilling out. We are having an amazing day. I hope you guys are as well, if I can speak properly. Spy Prob, what's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Look at this guy. Yeah, right. Oh, yeah, look at that spy. Yup. Oh, it's funny, man. What's up? Hope you're having a good day, bro. So, traders, man, yesterday was crazy. We ended up utilizing, so the entire day, and I'll say this, we got 2 minutes till market open. The entire time this move was happening yesterday off FOMC, I definitely thought the market was going to start to come down, right? I'm like, damn, I can't believe it hasn't come down yet. All right, if long as you're going to take it away, whatever. We played this side. We got a little beat up. We got a little beat up on the come up, right? We did get a little beat up. I was taking shorts and stuff. I was really trying to short this market. Finally got an amazing short and was able to capitalize off just in and out, and then was able to make back a decent, let's go with, you know, a decent size position yesterday. I was able to make myself back a majority of those gains. So it was beautiful. It was awesome. I love it. And now we're here, man. Yesterday was yeah, with the FOMC. Yeah, dude. No, I agree. Definitely the back end of it was a move I'm waiting for. I have a couple things written down now that I'll talk to you guys about. We got like 1 minute till market open. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys about it then with FOMC and everything like that. Why to be the king of saying names wrong? I love it. Yo, this guy, bro. This guy. It's Joe Fi, it's Camus, it's Spy Prob. Get it? Spy Prob. Because S&P, Spy. Yo, YB, have you had the chance to hear about top tier funding of Fivers? What is your viewpoint? I have not, actually. Top tier funding of Fivers. If you could elaborate, that would be awesome. Yeah, I don't think I've heard too much about that. So chilling out, traders. We have less than a minute till market open here. About 20 seconds. So I hope you guys are all feeling great. Guys, I am working on getting you guys that discount code. It's going to be code BUDDY I'm going with, I think. Just code BUDDY. That's going to be it. It's going to be very simple, very, you know, just simple, really, right? So that's the game plan. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, market open. They function like Apex. Okay, here, let me look into this a little bit. Top tier funding. Wow, massive upper shadow there, guys. Have to wait for my EMA strategy to set up. I'm going to wait till maybe around 10 a.m. We're going to see. Top tier funding. Huh. Beauty out for... oh, yeah, bro. You were long. Yeah, you were long. Yo, shout out to good old Joe Fi, baby. Let's see this. Shout out to Joe Fi, bro. There you go, buddy. I love it. Yeah, you see how DJT hit 52 perfectly and dumped? Is it dumping right now? Okay. Yeah, we're still sitting good. Sitting right around the same. Yeah, no. Let's take a look real quick, guys. I'm gonna remove ALR here. Let's go to DJT. Yeah, chilling out right around that price. Look at that, off open. What is it, 46? I do have a stop loss in play on DJT, guys. It is really just my trend line. I don't know how much I want to hold it. You know, that is the trend line all the way back down to right now. If I extend this to the right, down to 42. So no matter what I'm locking in gains, $42 is my stop loss. I'm even going to use this 200 day right here, guys. That 200 day is going to be my stop loss right there, guys. So, yep. And that's it. Market selling off right now, guys. Look at that. Amazing to see. So, personally, I will be waiting for EMA strategy to kind of set up a little bit more. I need a momentum, a direction basically to form, and then I'll be able to, you know, capitalize off a trade. So I be dumping, what is it? The market's dumping like YB after a big meal? Yo, bro, you don't even know, dog. Yo, dude. Chick last night went to Taco Bell, and it was like, so I usually don't eat lunch, right? Because I eat breakfast like I eat breakfast like, you know, at like 8:30, 8 o'clock, right? And that sets me, and I'm good till like dinner time usually, right? Because I'm like doing stuff all day. And I don't even really think about it. Dude, we're on our way to our youth group, which youth group for us is like, you know, it's basically like it's like young adults group, right? Kind of all meet up. We, you know, talk about, we do like a lesson or something about, you know, God, Jesus, whatnot, and everything like that. But on the way there, she's like, do you want to stop at Taco Bell? Now, she's not like a big lady. You know, she's not a big lady at all. But isn't that crazy that she wanted to go to Taco Bell after what happened yesterday? I was traumatized. When she said she wanted to get Taco Bell. Because it was on the way there. I'm like, you want to get what? Yeah, of course you got Taco Bell. Yo, this guy, I did not get Taco Bell. She wanted to get Taco Bell. Once again, she's not a big lady or anything like that, all right? She just like, it was just right there. And she's like, oh, I haven't eaten all day. Like, you know, let's get something, right? And I was like, oh, okay. I did not get Taco Bell. Why be held strong? And I just really, I wasn't that hungry, you know? People thinking, what is it? Come here and talk about the market. Then you got this guy. Right, dude? It's like, yeah, bro. It's like, so, YB, what's your #1 stock of the day? It's like me still going off about Taco Bell. It's like, YB after, yeah, right? The bathroom and me or not? Yeah. No, I agree. I agree, man. That's what happens, dude. Every time. Yeah, right? You guys are funny. No, we were chilling out. All right, having a good day. But yeah, no, I had some chicken and potatoes though. Yup. And then I have eggs like every single morning. Like that's all I eat. That's my breakfast every single day. Wake up at 6 a.m. Go to the steam room. Right after the steam room, come home, shower, eggs. Gotta grub up on some eggs. You know what I'm saying, guys? Gotta get the you know, the protein in a while. You know. Get done streaming, go hit that driving range, work on that game. Dude, I just learned this thing, bro. It's called like the steering wheel. Okay, we'll go into it then, guys. Right now, the market's really just chilling out. You do have this view up touch right here on ES, but once again, a view up touch is not the EMA strategy. Damn, NVDA, yeah, bro. Off open a $10 rip, dog. And you know what's even crazier? Look at NQ. NQ doesn't even move. NQ did not react, bro. That's nuts, dude. Yeah, buddy. What's up, LJ? What's up, bro? Hope you're chilling out, man. Hope you're having a great day. Yeah, dude, that's crazy, dude. Look at that. NQ didn't even react. It's like, oh, well, NVDA is going to spike up $20. Now, let's see why, though. Hold on. Let's be realistic with ourselves. Why didn't it react here? Let's see. So, we're sitting right around the price. Okay, so we're sitting right around 848. We opened at, like, 843 areas. Meta is dumping while NVDA is spiking. So they're kind of counteracting each other. Apple's sitting flat, Tesla around flat. Yep, so I'd say that. That's probably why. Just because, you know, Meta is dumping, S&P is dumping. We got a lot of things. NQ following and, what is it? NQ following reacting off of NVIDIA. Yeah, right? It's like, when they are correlating together, it is so good and it looks so, like, it's so great. But then other times, NVIDIA will spike up and NQ and them just, like, kind of had beef, you know? Did you see Carvana stock after earnings? I did not. Hold on, guys. What is Carvana's ticker? Ticker. CVNA? Holy shit. Yep, that's earnings for you. Yep, that'll do it. From $90 up to $120, bro. Oh my goodness. You know what we're gonna do now? Big shout out to Darth Trader, you know, whenever man's in chat for this one right here. Guys, selling off like a tank right now, ladies and gentlemen. What a market. Wow. Selling off super heavy right now. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Let's load this up. Okay. So let's load up the ticker. Hold on, ready? So we're going to load up the ticker here. I'll show you guys how to use this. So CVNA, right? So let's say you got in at this, the price is 119. You are long May 3rd contracts at the price of you're long these contracts at the price of what was it? Let's go 90 bucks. Let's go 90 flat. 90 flat. You bought one of these, right? Okay, let's see. So literally look at where you're green, bro. You literally would have made over from $90 with this expiration and the price now sitting at $117. Guys, that's a 343. Oh, you guys can't see it because of my big head. That's a 343% return. If you bought these contracts at the price of 90, right, and they cost you 610 bucks, you would have made back over 2,000 on each one, aka 349%. That's crazy. Speaking of earnings, Apple releases post-market today. Do they have earnings? Okay, let's do that as well. Let's look up the, okay, let's do this. Let's see if you buy isn't it AAPL? Okay, Apple. Guys, let's say you go long with this Friday expiration. You go long right now at the price of 170, right? So you're long 170 on, let's say, one contract. You're buying it. Let's see what happens with the price. Let's say at 170, right here was your break even, right? Let's say these things spike up to past 175. Let's say it goes to 200 bucks. Look at that, guys. If it goes to 200 bucks, guys, you have over, and you almost have 1,000%. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I might have to get in on this. Almost 1,000% return on your investment if it goes to 200 bucks off of 170. You're in at 170 for literally, what is it? For 313 bucks. It goes up to 200. You have almost 1,000% return, bro. 859% return. That is nuts, bro. That's crazy. So there it is, man. Speaking of earnings, yeah. Are you bearish? I'm going to be honest. My personal opinion on earnings is that it does not matter. Earnings, you know, one thing I'll say is that for earnings, and I'm you know, going to pop into AK's chat and hear his thoughts and opinions about it, but it really does not matter that much about these earnings plays, what you think. I was very bearish on Tesla, and Tesla spiked up. Why? Tesla was everyone, and this is something that I was talking to you know, one of my students about, and he was correct on that. You know, you think about it, everyone's already expecting such negative earnings from Tesla. Everyone's already selling Tesla off. So Tesla's now oversold going into earnings. Data comes out, yes, it's bad, but then during the press conference, Tesla, you know, Elon Musk CEO starts talking up Tesla. Everyone's going to be like, whoa, okay, well, let's see what happens. And then, you know, because everyone's basically already so bearish on it that if he says anything good, it's going to come up. Meta was overhyped. Meta was overbought going into earnings and stuff like that. And then look what happened. So it really does depend the price action on the day. So like if I come over here and I load up AAPL, it really does depend the price action on the day and the past like week. So if I go to the 4-hour chart here, you can see what happens coming into earnings. Okay, so we've been spiking up. Had a nice big sell-off. Now we're spiking up again. I could almost expect some sort of either sell-off coming in for profit taking, and or it really might depend the data on this one. I don't know. Like, I'm not gonna lie, dude. My earnings report so far, I'm 100% transparent with you guys, has been I've taken 2 earnings report this year and I'm 0 for 2 on them. I took Tesla and Meta. I got both actual earnings reports correct, but not the direction, if that makes sense. So I'm 0 for 2 on the actual direction, but I got both the reports correct. So like what I wanted to get correct, I got correct. But obviously it still didn't work out, if that makes any sense. Oh my, NVDA. Oh my, dude. Talk about a monster. Guys, that 9-day EMA. 9-day EMA right here, guys. Holding up. 9-day EMA holding up. I want to see it, you know, start to come back up to these points, see what happens. We'll see if that actually is valid or not. I may take a trade there, may not. I'm going lighter size right now, guys. I am going lighter size. I'm doing 5 micros on all these plays. So yeah, that's my thought process, guys. 5 micros on all these plays. So yeah, I'm not bearish on Apple. I'm not bullish. I don't really have a general opinion on it. If I had to choose, it was life or death, and I had to choose longs or shorts on Apple, I personally want to say bearish, because Apple is really hyped up right now. And I feel like no matter what the earnings report comes out with, I feel as if they're not going to meet the expectations enough. Maybe their Apple Vision Pro sales aren't as much as they reportedly should have been or something. I just feel as if bearish is the way to go on it. Once again, that is if I had gun to my head, I had to pick, right? My actual choice is don't play it. And if you're going to play it, don't do options, play with shares. Even if you have to play shares, with a smaller size, I very much recommend doing shares. And there might even be an inverse play like there was on Tesla. And let me actually check. Let's check that. Let's see what we got, guys. So I just typed in Dex chat real quick, asking about if we have any plays like that, any 2x earnings or anything like that, 2x leverage. So let's see what he says. See if this guy says anything.
Again, a little bit of drop back on down. I still think, again, the best overall opportunity is all the way back on down where it's
Answer the question, Deck!
That's the next, floor board I see before it bounce play back on up.
Oh, right here. Hold on.
Samantha saying, I'm from Florida, moved up to New York City. There you go. Went from south to north. People go north to south. I absolutely love the Northeast. Northeast, where I live, takes me 45 minutes to get to New York City. Takes me about an hour to get to Philadelphia. Takes me about an hour and a half to get to the beach. Takes me about an hour to get to Atlantic City.
There it goes. All right, I'm getting the ticker for you guys right now, guys. I got you, guys. Don't even stress it. YB got your back. Guys, look at that 9-day EMA. 9-day EMA still rejecting there on SPY. Down to 503, 502.50, excuse me. So traders just waiting out, watching right now. Waiting and watching for it, guys. But yes. Yup, waiting and watching, excuse me, on S&P 500, NQ. Look at that, NQ starting to break above here. NVDA is just doing the opposite. It's kind of already spiking, ripping, and running, which is going to help you out a little bit there. But yep, so just waiting and watching. So I'm getting that ticker for you guys. So if you guys want to play shares, it has versus leverage, directional, single stock, ETFs, both long and inverse. Okay. So let's see. AAAP is the double leverage long Apple. Okay, right here it is. Shout out to Zach Hopper, man. AAPB. So this is the... Okay, it is. This is a way cheaper option that is an amazing opportunity to play this. Guys, if you guys want to play, this is going to be the double leverage long Apple. 1 second. This is a 2x leverage ETF on Apple. What does that mean? Well, really quickly, let's load up Apple. Right? Let's load up Apple. We'll go to a 4-hour here and we'll zoom out. We'll go to a 4-hour here and we'll zoom out. So you see how they look the same almost here, guys? This is only $17. So if you guys want to play some sort of earnings, you guys want to play Apple earnings, you guys can play this stock. It is a 2x leverage, meaning this is going to move basically double whatever this play moves, Apple. shorts or long. So if you guys want to buy shares, it's only $17, right? So 100 shares only costs you $1,700. Yeah. Compared to Apple, which 100 shares would cost you like $170,000, right? So if you guys want to play it, this is your play to make. I might even personally do that with like a smaller amount. I might take a small position on AAPB, if I'm able to at the time. So there you guys go. So that's for earnings, everyone. There you go. So traders, hopefully you guys enjoy that. I got you guys with that free sauce. Don't mind that. That was for a lesson way back when. I should probably clear that chart out. Wow, look at this market still dumping. I love it. This is exactly what I want to see. Because then that means going into 10 a.m., these EMAs will set themselves up a little bit better here. When we get that pullback finally, we'll touch that and hopefully continue to sell off. So yeah, buddy. Hopefully you guys are feeling great. Hopefully you guys are feeling grand. Anyone doing anything, anyone doing anything crazy? Anyone in any crazy positions right now as we come back down to 502? Look at that, bro. Underneath 502 for more shorts, man. No way ES has no retrace. Oh, 100% it will. Oh, 100%. It definitely will retrace. It just depends on like when is it going to retrace? Are we going to retrace down at, 550, 50, or are we going to retrace, at, right here, back up to 50, 70, right? I do see bears taking over this market right now. Off of FOMC yesterday. This Thursday and Friday might be a little bit more volatile for direction. So if you guys are in shorts, you guys are banking right now, printing, man. So yeah, no, I am 100% with you though. I do see some sort of directional change, but you got to wait for it. I love that it's selling off like this. That means my EMAs are doing this. My EMAs, my view up are doing this, and they're going to eventually collide. So yeah, buddy. Caught two 15-point downside and 30 points together off the same level. Yeah, buddy, bro. I love that, dog. Look at that, guys. So we came down to 501.75. Yeah, bro. Give this guy some champagne popping, baby. Did not catch the breakthrough, through what is that? Through lows, though. Okay. Right there, 17,500 coming in, guys. Dip buy might be presenting itself. You can take it with small size. I might with 2 micros. If my normal size right now is 5 micros, my small size is going to be 2. And then you wait for these EMAs to set up. Now, once again, that would be me basically being like, okay, it's going to come down to like 480 max and then start to reverse here. Once again, you have that 9-day EMA still holding this thing down, right? That 9-day EMA is still in effect. Not only just that 9-day EMA in effect here, you have S&P, ES, NVDA still coming down here, guys. So you guys might be able to even play. I'm actually thinking shorts then. If I'm talking myself into this, I'm talking myself into it right. Nah, I'm gonna wait. I seen that little lower shadow there coming in on SPY. You gotta wait for a pullback back up to this 9 to see what happens. I say that's going to be your best entry. Oh, don't you do it, you bugger. You bugger. You dirty bugger, you. Don't you dare do it, bro. All right, we got to have the discipline. We got to stay disciplined. Got to stay disciplined, traders. No trades. Nothing, man. My fingers are itching. Duh. Nothing. Nothing for YB yet. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. My fingers are itching, though, boys. Let me tell you. Oh my goodness. Fingers are itching, but I won't do it. Guys, I still struggle with that myself sometimes. I'm very much still human. All right, I control my emotions in the market very, very well in a way. But at the exact same time, sometimes, they get the best of you, buddy. They get the best of you. So yeah, buddy, man. Yeah, buddy. So guys, man, I hope you guys are excited for this Friday. That is the giveaway. We are doing it, man. I hope you guys are hyped up, excited, getting into it, baby. You guys are feeling great, feeling grand. Right there's your 9-day EMA touch. Now we're starting to get a little bit above this here. I love that. Let's see if we continue to push up here. 502 low there, starting to come back up. Might be able to get up to these EMAs. We will be able to take your short city. Have to wait and see. Look at that thing, though. Look at that thing rejecting right there. Oh, don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it. It's doing it. It's doing it. Go back up. Oh, I don't think it will. We have to wait. Look at that 9-day EMA, guys. Starting to reject off the 9 again. Patience with it. Patience with the play, guys. Oh, patience. Ah. There it goes, guys. Starting to come back down. Underneath 500 for more shorts incoming. If it can hold underneath 500, you guys are good. But it's right at that 500 level, starting to respect it. So as you see, we got a little bit of a dip by there. Underneath 502 here for more shorts.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take it. 2 micros to the downside. Just going to touch the water. See if we break those lows. Continue to sell off. Matters on S&P 500 underneath 502 here, guys. Underneath 502 for more shorts incoming, guys. YB, why 2 micros? You can actually make quite a bit on 2 micros if you're holding for the longer move, right? So now I'm looking for like 80 levels to come in and then underneath that. So look at that, trader. So now I'm looking for this to break back underneath 501.80, back underneath 480 here, underneath 480 for more shorts incoming. You guys take this with whatever position size you guys, you know, obviously correctly want, but myself, I do like this play. Underneath 480 for more shorts. Underneath this low a day here on S&P for more shorts incoming. I do see that. I have no emotions. I am the ultimate Sigma red pill. Yeah, right? This guy. He's like, emotions? He's like, I don't even know what that means, buddy. All right, guys. Looking to get out of this then. I see you. Ooh, did just touch.
When was the first time you heard somebody refer to house music? 80, 81, somewhere around there.
I want to see some sort of rejection here. If it rejects here, it is going to sell off. But, yeah, I'm going to get out of that. That's fine by me. 67 on that play is completely fine. Just M long, just tight. Yep. No, I'm with you, honestly. After that lower shadow, I'm with you on the longs. Breaking this 9-day EMA, coming up to this point here, I'm not against those longs. Yep. If we can hold above this 9 and start to really take off, you'll see it, man. You'll see it start to come in. I'm with you on that one. I would much rather, and I think I'm going to, I'm just going to wait for my EMAs, boys. I'm just going to wait till it gets up to these highs, which I do see that coming in. So if you guys are long at the lows, you guys are good to go. But yeah, I do just want to have the patience to get a good entry up here. It has to be able to break and hold above, though, here, man. We're right near that 502 level. I know it wants to break that 502 and dump for some more if it can't get above here. If it gets above this 9-day and starts to hold, I know that it can start to take off again. There you guys go. Let's see, man. Here it goes. I'm thinking we get that takeoff here. Little bit. I'll even mark this out here. I see that right there. Little bear flag pattern. Starting to get up there. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. Someone give Camus. Somebody give Camus some commissions over here, buddy. Somebody give this guy. I'm thinking like $100, $200, $500 market. Give this guy a couple hundo. Give this guy whatever he's trading with. Give him like 20%. Spike for him, buddy. Spike up to 540. Spike up to 540. Spike above 520 for him. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Break that. Break the top there. Give Camus his paycheck. Give him it, buddy. Hold these highs now and continue to spike for him. I got you, Camus. Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry about that, buddy. Yup. Yup. Give this guy his payday. Up to this 50-day EMA. Let's see if we can hit up here. Come on, S&P 500. I know you want to do it. You're above your little descending triangle pattern and whatnot. Just spike. Just stop playing games, buddy. Get your little spike-a-rooney here. Yup. There it goes. There it goes. Let's see it now. Start to take off. Looking for green on the time and sales. Want to see green hold up? Camus just put in a trailing stop loss, by the way. Put in a trailing stop loss. My personal one would be right underneath that 9-day EMA there. And I mean, like, come on, bro. Come on, buddy. Like, I mean, how much more? Woo! Oh! Feels good. Feels good. I'm not even in the trade, and it feels good. Why? Because you guys are making money. That's what I love to see. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for, man. Yes, sir. He's like, yes, sir. He's like, by the way, YB, I sold early. He's like, I wasn't even in this move at all. He's like, I sold out like 2 seconds after I got in. But I love the energy, buddy. Keep it up. Next time I'm in a trade, I'll make sure to let you know. And give me that energy. It's like, dang, oh, thanks, Camus. It's like, he's like, yeah, YB, yeah, I love the energy, love the enthusiasm, but I was not in that trade. No. Yep, I was, yep, I took my profits already, yep. Yep, so I don't know who you're yapping to, but guys, I love it, man. I love it, man. So there's your morning sell-off going into this Thursday. I kind of want to see this thing, take back off. Some sort of topside move here. I see it above this 9-day finally. Hold that up here. For some reason, my S&P 500 just didn't move. Was there no orders going in there, or what just happened, bro? Holy, I gotta be tripping. Okay. I thought that was like 20,000 a candle. I was like, that is really low volume, guys. I was like, wow, that is extremely low volume. So guys, here comes the time at 10 a.m. The good old time at 10 a.m. You gotta love it, right? $9.59 here. We'll see. We have 10 a.m. data. We do have 10 a.m. news. Nothing big though. Nothing big. Medium impact. Medium impact data. Medium impact news here. So I'll show you really quick. We got about 20 seconds. Right here. You go up here. You can go to factory orders. Factory orders month over month. Look at that. Medium impact. So you might get a slight push or a slight dump. You're not going to get some massive ripper and runner, though. I promise. Well, I don't promise you that. We'll see. Here it goes. So 10 a.m. news coming out. Right there it goes, guys. Look at that volume. Back underneath 500 here. Breaking some of those lows. Touch of 80 there, guys, coming in. Caught another 15 points there. Bro, Joe-Fi is a scalping king, dog. Bro gets in, boop. Okay, I'm done. Bro gets short, and we're done. Okay, we're good. Scalping king. As much as I want to look for the dip buy here, I could see shorts taking it away. Nah, actually, I got to look for the dip buy. If I'm going to take a trade, I think I would go long here. Above 501.75 again to the top side here. If not, below, right there it is, guys. Below 401.80. Let's see. Wow, more shorts coming in. Oh! That hurts. That hurts, guys. I should have got in. Oh, that hurts. I should have got in. Right down to 501, guys. Ah! That hurts. I should have got in. Oh, no, traders. Okay, hold on. 440s here. No, I can't. I know, guys. I know. 440 touch. Maybe with 2 micros. You ran at 513? Oh, bro. Dude, yeah, bro. That's hard to watch, isn't it? Oh, my goodness. Underneath 501, looking for the longs to take it away. Back up to the EMA there. Above 460, I might get in. That's basically the 501 level there. That's the 1800 level coming in respectively there. If you see a break of all those lows, you might be getting another short opportunity, but you would have to, if you're going short, you got to take it with smaller size than if you're going long. No, that's not true at all. Both sides you should be taking with smaller size. So right there it goes, guys, for more shorts. Down to 40, just touch 40, guys. Got to wait and see here. I still want to see my EMAs, guys. I still want to see my EMAs. I know when they come in, that is a beautiful short. So if I'm 100% certain that I can get a trade up here, why take a trade down here? You know what I mean? I need a Taco Bell out. Yo, enough to make a grown man cry. This hurts a lot. I need a Taco Bell after this. Yeah, bro. Yo. This guy, bro. Back above 501. Back above the 60 point there.
Order filled.
We'll take a stab at longs on micros. 2 micros to the top side. Again, I'm very aware 2 micros is an okay position, you know? So I am very aware of that. I love this play right now. I want to see it spike up to at least a 9-day at 480. I love that. I think it can go higher, though. I think if we get a spike here above 480, you can really start to take off up to 500. Has to hold these highs, though, as it is. I love it. Holding these highs makes me feel confident, makes me feel great. So continue to hold these highs, NQ. Get your spike-a-rooney all the way up. Start to really take off to the top side here for all of us here. Looking for green to come in, baby. Look at that green coming in. I love it. I love it. I love it. That shows me, that makes me confident. Makes me confident in this play. Green coming in here on NQ. NQ overall, green's coming in. That's what I want to see. Break that on NQ overall to the top side. 810. Break 810. Break 810 to the top side on NQ overall. I know NQ will spike. Break 810. Let me see it. Let me see it. Hit me with it. Hit me with 810. Break to the top side. If you break 8, come on, baby. I know you want to. You're right there. Break 810 to the top side. Coming back up to it, guys. 808. NQ, I know NQ can take off without it, but I know it'll take off with it. It's right there. I love that it's holding, though. I love that it's holding, guys. I'm waiting. Waiting and watching, guys. Want to see a red to green candle here? NQ overall. So, again, on my left chart right here, I have NQ overall up. Pushing 808. Here, I'll show you guys. Right there, that is. Above 810, starting to push, guys. I bet you NQ overall spiking. NQ spiking here. Above 810. I want to see it hold above. Hold above, baby! So that's what we're looking at there, guys. You want to see this hold above. Just got up to that point. It's still holding here. Beautiful. Above 810, that's what you're looking at, guys. So looking here, still holding. Good. Good. Strong. I love it. Holding these highs makes me feel confident. Hold these highs out, you bugger. Stay green. Go green. Go back to green. Yup. Go back to green and start taking off. Nope.
Order filled.
Minus 18. 2 micros. 2 micros. Just going to take it. Going to call it. Touch the 9-day EMA. 9-day EMA still holding up as you're short. Guys, you guys could have got in at any given rate here and just use that 9-day EMA except for right here. Except for right here is the only play. So I had the right direction, just wrong time. Right, look at that. Again, another play where I had the right direction, wrong time. Underneath 501, more shorts. I might take a stab at it. If that's going to hold up, I see another leg down to another touch. Guys. Oh, man, dude. Little double bottom here. Little double bottom here. Double darty bottom, boys. Little double darty bottom. NQ overall starting to get that push back up. NVDA getting the push back up. S&P not doing the same, though. There it goes. Little push up here, guys. Quick little double bottom there. S&P struggling to hold, though. S&P struggling to hold, man. Are sellers really this strong today, huh? Sellers are taking this market away. So these little pullbacks aren't even buyers coming in. It's just profit taking. Boop, dump, profit taking. Dump, profit taking. Dump, profit. You know what I mean? It's just people taking profits, guys. Then more shorters swing in. Look at that.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take a stab out of here. Beneath these lows, now I have that confidence I can continue to break down. Where's my low I'm looking at? I don't like doing what I'm doing in a way sometimes. Sometimes it definitely does work out, and you'll get a big dump, and it'll just continue to sell off. Beneath 550 here, you get to move down to 500. Break like butter. Break like butter. Break that low like butter there, SPY. That's what I'm looking for. Break that low like butter. NQ, touch that bottom. Get down to 420, and then break 420 like it's nothing. So starting to break 550 there. I love that to the downside. Want to see the rest of these plays continue to hit. There it goes, guys. So down to 20 now. I want to see that continue to dump off below 20 for more shorts. Has to go green to red here. Green to red starting to come in. I love it. If this holds red. Dumparooski coming in below. So what is that? 420? 420 all the way down to the 400 level, guys. Beautiful play. Beautiful play. Beautiful play here, guys. Beauty, beauty, beauty. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it. There you go. Below 400 for some more shorts. Oh, baby. Starting to come in. More shorts incoming. Hold underneath 400. More shorts. Get another one of those Dumparooskis here. Just waiting and watching, guys. Underneath 500 just hit. That's why. Underneath 500 just hit. Shorters took this thing away. Shorters holding this thing down. Give me another dump and I'll put a trailing stop loss in here. Want to see it dump past that point right there. Back below 400. More shorts. 402. Waiting and watching, guys. Let me just be able to put a trailing stop loss in there. Give me that red again, baby. I want to have that patience. I know this thing can dump for more, especially with sellers taking this thing over right now. Like, NQ overall is very much just right there, boys. I'm taking a look at NQ overall to the downside. I see it right there. S&P at the 500 level. I do want to see shorts come back in, take it away. Yeah, I mean, I do need to put some sort of trailing stop loss in here, boys. I just want to give it time as I know more shorts can come in. You know, you might get a little pop here, but like I could see that going green to red. Dumparooski back down to these lows. Yeah, right there's that EMA. I just need a little green to red here. If not, that could have been it on the day. I know taking profits, a lot of you guys are like, oh, probably take profits, YB, take profits, YB. But having that stop loss at play here, boys, is really the main goal here, right? So just going to adjust this to maybe 46, 29, 46, 2 micros. Want to see that red come in now, boys. I see that there. I do see the right there's a 9, right there's a 9, right there's a 9. Want to see that come in. If you get that short coming in, then you might be able to enter in on another position. Remember, 2 micros is still a good position size. So looking for red to come in here, guys. Next. We see that red come in right here. And a good dump of Ruski. Beautiful. Want to see more red come in here, guys. I love it. Back underneath 550. I love that I couldn't really break out above. I want to see the lows hold here. So I want to see the lows hold this thing down here. Having that patience here. I love it, boys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I want to see sellers. Red, 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 red. Coming on that time and sales, guys. Red, 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 red on that time and sales. Down. Hit that downside move. Good to go. Underneath this point here, I have locked out of 92.47 on NQ overall. I want to see that red come in here, boys. That's what we are looking for. If not, it might get a little pop above here and start to actually push. But if not, it'll get a little spike and then dump.
Stop fill.
All right, 64 on it, guys. Only down 155 on the day, and that's okay. Yeah, right? So, if you ain't selling, what is it? If you ain't selling, you're being sold. Yeah, buddy. This market has too much stock. Dude, apparently, bro, this market is on some stuff right now, buddy. Let me tell you. 200 in EMA. They are getting tighter. They're getting tighter. Here we go. They're starting to come in together. I love that we're above now. Now we get our push back up to our EMAs, and then they can actually come into effect. What happened today, guys? We basically sold off from market open. So if you guys are able to capitalize on any of that sell-off, that's amazing. I personally have not been able to. Should I have taken profit down here? I should have put a stop loss in, my trailing stop loss. I'm trying to learn to hold plays a little bit longer, especially on micros like that, guys. So I'm 100%, I'm good where I'm at right now. I'm only down 150. Small long at 36. Yeah, buddy. Dude, you're already in the game. You're already in the money. Look at that. You're already in the money, like 20 points. Stop now. Break even up 20 points. Yup, there you go. Above 501 here. Above 501 for more longs is what I'm looking at. .501 touch. Could not break 501 to the long side, boys. Underneath 440 for more shorts, maybe. I could just see this 9-day now holding up again and more shorts swinging in. Like, if buyers aren't going to take it over here, this is just profit taking. And then more shorts. And then profit taking, more shorts, profit taking, more. You guys get what I'm saying? But I would love for my EMAs to come in. That's what I want to see. I want to see this area right here coming on SPY, ES, and Q. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Stop now 10, up 20 points. Yeah, buddy, stop now 10 points. I was about to say, Joe 5, bro. You got it at 36. You're at 66, bro. Right there's 30 points. Nice, bro. I see more green. I see more green coming in. Honestly, if this thing's going to take off, it's going to happen right here. Our first time above this 9-day all day, basically. Look at this 9-day EMA, boys. We got a little bit above it here. We touched it here. We're finally breaking it here. There's no way we break above this and then just start dumping again. I just don't see that happening. There's like, and if that does happen, then today is already like wild, man. Today is wild. So just chilling out, man. Chilling out, man. This week has been really, really wild and weird to me. FOMC really messed me up a little bit. you know, and everything like that. So once again, I'm a, you know, very profitable trader in many different ways. My number one strategy just has not set up yet, and I have to wait for that to set up. Could not hold above 500 here. You have to see this hold. I want to see this area hold, man. So, yup, guys, chilling out myself. Just had to check up on something. Yup, definitely chilling out myself. So big chilling out right now, traders. I think that this push here is a little bit too slow. I really do. I think it's a little bit too slow. We got above that, what is that, 460. You know, I just don't think long traders are taking it away as much as we think right now. So definitely big chilling out right now, guys. Look at that, get below this point here. Yeah, traders, just chilling out, man, chilling out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask away. Collector Bid Hero saying, yo guys, urgent warning, Microsoft backed QS stock is going bankrupt, short and sell. Okay, all right, buddy. Yeah. Some guy in my YouTube chat saying, guys, short Microsoft. All right, Collector, we don't do that. All right. Listen, buddy, listen. You can give a recommendation for a stock. Don't be telling these guys to short your stock because you're in on it. We don't do no pump and dumps here. Yeah. Listen, Linda. Listen. We don't do pump and dumps. Unless you guys want to. I'm joking. Yeah, guys, short looking good below 40 here, guys. Short looking good below 40. If that thing can get below 40 there, I do feel confident in that short. It's like, yeah, dude. It's like, I'm obviously joking. Unless you're not. Like, pump and dumps? No, we don't do that here. All right, wait now, guys. Waiting and watching right now, guys. I see this being a little bit of a top, coming back down. Definitely a something that can happen here below 40 here. Waiting and watching myself. 2 micros, playing very small size right now. Look at how tight these are. Look at how tight these are getting, boys. I love it. NQ overall coming to the downside here, starting to break trend. NQ overall starting to break trend. Trend is your friend there, boys. Not trend. Trend, not trend. Trend is not our friend. We do not do trend, but the trend. Yeah, buddy. Let's see. YB Defo does some ump and dumps. Yeah, now he has a passport, right? Yeah, right, dude. Yeah, this guy. I'll go over to Switzerland. Be like, I'll be the next Jordan Belfort. It's like I actually do have a. I have a penny stock exchange over there, guys. Yup. Over in Switzerland. Come on, volume. The gear is set, bro. It just needs to get that one push below 40. I'm with you. NQ overall is coming down. NVDA is coming down. S&P is what's holding it up. It's going right with S&P all day, bro. NQ and S&P are neck and neck. Yeah. Actually, yep. So that's my other business, guys. That's one of them. I have a penny stock scheme. I mean, penny stock broker. A brokerage company over in Switzerland. Right. Not scheme. Silly word I used. I meant brokerage. Here's your push, boys. All right. Here's your push, boys. Looking for it above 480 here, boys. Looking to see 501. See how these 50 days react now. Okay. We're getting up toward 50 days. Let's see. You got to be careful. The 50 days might hold. They may hold. Or they may not. And they might just get broken right through. And then up to our EMAs. So let's see. First touch of our 50 in a while, guys. First touch of our 50. You know, I might take a stab at this. Depending on what happens right here. There it goes. All right, S&P getting a little bit of a push above here. Oh, excuse me. Up to our view up now. There we go. Okay, we're getting our first push here, boys. First push here, guys. Our first push is right here, boys. Here we go. 502, just touched 502, a little bit above here. Got to be cautious. 500. 560. Ugh. If it breaks above, boys, this might just be the spot. Our view up EMA, or 200 and view up are all the way up here on NQ. Our view up and 200 is right here on S&P 500. And right here it is on ES. So we are approaching on SPY. We're touching, right about touching there on SPY. Have to wait and see. I do see a sell-off coming in. But you got to have patience. Turn that music up. Get that energy raised, baby. Seeing a little bit of rejection off that view up there, boys. A little bit of rejection off that view up. Want to see what happens here, guys. Above 500. Let's see. Can we get a push? Come on, baby. Give me a little bit of a push. Give me one more little rip and run. Natural rejection right there. Old support. New resistance at what is that? 17,520. I'm gonna get in here. I'm only short 2. All right, we'll do 2. Yeah, all right. We'll do 2. Just in case. That was a little view up touch. See if we get our shorts coming in here. 50-day EMA here. Right up to that natural 500 resistance right here. Right up to 60 resistance. A lot of resistance. 200-day there, guys. Just got to wait and see. Waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching, guys. Want to see this thing dump a Rooski here in this area here. I want to see it basically that touch and now start to come back down here. Continue to flop, fold. I have NQ overall. NQ overall breaks that 50-day EMA. You are good to go to the downside, traders. So I am in a very small position size here. Why? Just in case it gets a break. This is only our first touch of view up. This is only our first touch of view up there, guys. We have yet to touch on EMAs, on NQ and ES. Look at that thing gearing up. Look at that thing gearing up to the downside. Starting to come down here, guys. Starting to come down here, guys. Jumped in with 2 more, so now I'm in 4 short. I want to see it break these lows, guys. Continue to come down here. I love it. If it continues to break these lows, you are good to go. View up touch, start to sell off. Come all the way back down to the 500 level. We're going to wait and see. Gotta wait and see here, though. Need to see red, 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 red. Get 1 red candle here. Good Dumperuski. Gotta have a tight stop loss. Tight stop loss, guys. Dump for us here, baby. Look at that rejection. Dump for us here, baby. Look at that rejection. Traders! Traders! Give me that 1 candle, baby. That 1 red candle. Set a buy limit down at 40 just in case it wants to hit down that low. For sure, would probably take some profit there. At least of 2. I don't know about 4.
You show your love and I fake it. You give your heart and I break it.
I just need that 1 dump here, boys.
This game's been played.
I know it can come in. Underneath this 50. Underneath this 50 here. NQ overall. They're setting up, but they're not right there. On beat drop, bro. It dumping. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Come on, baby. Break that 9-day, bro. Break that 9-day EMA to the downside. Gotta see it right here, boys. Now we have to wait and see, boys. Now we have to wait and see. So turning the music down a little bit more here. Just broke above that view up right there, guys, into this area. They're not the tightest of the tight, but they're also not the furthest away. If I remove all drawings here, literally clear everything here, and I can just clearly see this point right there. I see that there, traders. I see that if it starts breaking above you, are good to go. You might even be able to capitalize off a short in this area. But once again, traders, we're not looking to, we're down $300 already, bro.
Like, damn, bro. Like, these EMAs, you know, they just need to come into play. And then, you know, you'll be able to capitalize, make all that back, and then hopefully some more, man. So, getting a little bit of our breakout. We got to wait for our EMAs to come in. Came right up to our view up. Coming up to our 200 day here. 200 view up. 200 view up. This is usually where I'd enter in. Right there. Right off of those highs. Up to 520. That was the area of resistance as well. Frick, I should have marked that. Watching the S&P here as it holds this area. I need to see this, you know, really start to come down. They're a little bit spaced out, but if we get one more push here, I feel like that could be it. I don't want to see it break this area. I really don't. I want to see it hold that area as that resistance and then start to come down. Potential rejection coming in. Potential. I know that 20 mark is that rejection area, but you got to be cautious there. I see a little bit of a pop here. Oh, never mind. We got up to that 200. Getting up to that view up 200 area. Yep, right there it is. I see a little bit of a pop coming in here, guys. I don't want to see a massive one, but I do see something coming in. Maybe up to this top 200, and I think that'll be it. Like, that is the ultimate level, no matter what, is this view up. We still have yet to even touch our view up on NQ. So that's saying something, right? Still have yet to even get up to our view up area. So right there it is, boys. Up to that area. Starting to reject. Can't break above, guys. It has to break above here. I'm going to enter in the shorts here, guys. I do see the short city starting to come in. Guys, rejected multiple times. Now getting our crackaroo down below those points here. Looking for it to start to go below the 500 level here. Down to 505, 504. Back below this area here for more shorts. So am looking for that area to start to break. That 9-day EMA to start to break. 500 come in. Below 500 for more shorts incoming. All right, so my reason for my entry here. Beautiful play starting to break. Break 502. You're good here. Going to extend that to the right. Looking for this to break right here. That's going to be near the equivalent here on NQ as well. I know it. Here, let me do this. Then extend that to the right there. We'll see that break. We'll see that equivalent break. Breaking that 9-day EMA. Break this area right here on SPY. Break this area right here. That 50-day EMA there on, NQ overall. So is that next candle coming in? Next candle coming in. Waiting and watching. Gonna see if we get a green to red here. Green to red gets our Dumperuski coming in. So I do see exactly what I'm saying. Underneath all these points, I am completely in agreement here. Beautiful play, beautiful strategy, beautiful everything here. This is one that I am confident about. Underneath 500 here for more shorts, guys. So underneath this, right underneath this 50-day EMA for more shorts on NQ overall, guys. Got all these plays marked out. Got the 50-day marked out here. Want to see that point break. Start to come down to the 480 level. Want to see all these points break here, guys. NVDA breaking its 50-day. Looking for that 50-day crack, 50-day crack, 50-day crack. All these cracks here coming in. Starting to crack here on one point. Let's see if we can crack on another. Come on, baby. Let's see that red come in. Start to dump a Ruski underneath these points. Could not hold above. Starting to go below 500. I love it, guys. Could start to see some real momentum to the downside. Right there's that 50-day. Starting to crack here on SPY. Hold below now. Hold these lows, guys. Hold these lows. Let's see more lows come in. Let's see it. Hold these lows. More lows come in. So looking at it, beautiful play here. Looking for a little green to red here, little green to red play here. Underneath that 50-day EMA, underneath these 50s on all these points makes me feel confident. So I want to see red, red, red on this time and sales as well, guys. Red, red, red on the time and sales coming in. Absolutely in love with it. Love it, love it, love the play. Want to see that come in, guys. Right there, neck and neck with it. Want to see it come in at this rate. So 500, 509, about a 10-point move right there. I want to see some green to red, though. That would be beautiful. I definitely think that can come in here. Starting to hit here on NQ, S&P, NQ overall. Want to see that red come in, boys. Little green to red candle here. Come down to 480. Stop loss going to be tighter. Want to see that red come in, though. Should not hit. That stop loss should not hit if this thing is going to dump. That stop loss should not hit if this thing is going to dump a Ruski right here. At any given rate, this thing looks great to dump. NQ itself looks great to dump. NQ overall starting to help out. The rest of them starting to flip the script, starting to help out the picture a little bit. Underneath that basically trend line there. Underneath the trend line on most, actually all of these points at this rate. Get a nice little trap pattern here coming in. Right there that was. Right there was that crack on ES. Want to see it here. A little green to red candle here. Dump a Ruski. Want to see a little green to red candle here. Dump a Ruski. Right there's a green. Let's see what the red looks like on this candle. So ladies and gentlemen, waiting and watching. Looking for the red to come in on this candle. Looking to see what it looks like. So looking for some sort of red on this candle. Right here it comes, baby. It is so close. Let's see that one red. You might be able to get a nice big turnaround here, traders. Red coming in. Let's see it. Red coming in. Red coming in. I want to see it. It's close. So we are waiting and watching, traders. I just want to see that one red candle, boys. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Hit me with it. Hit me with the red. Don't do it to me. Hit me with the red. I see this time in sales. Red, red, red is all I want to see. Give me just straight red on this, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Starting to come down here. NQ overall. Beautiful. Come on. Gorgeous. Good looking. NQ. Best looking stock I've ever seen. NQ is top 5 best looking stocks I've ever seen in my life, guys. Best looking stocks I've ever seen. Like, I'm talking good looking wise, man. You were the most good looking stock with the S&P. You two are just correlating for, like, good looks. You guys are the good, the best looking tickers in the world, guys. Look at this play coming down. Ladies and gentlemen, below 40 for more shorts. You know how good looking you are, NQ? Honestly, you and Tradecaster members are neck and neck. You and Tradecaster members are brick by brick, side by side. Below this point, hold these lows. Hold these lows! Come on, baby. Hold those lows. Give us that Dumparooski for some more. Come on. Red coming back in. Underneath 500 here. Come on, baby. Just waiting and watching. Percent of it up. Yeah. Literally. I want to see red come in right here, guys. Has to come in right here. I like that Dumparooski, but I need that red to come in. NQ. S&P 500 going red. S&P 500 flipping the script up here, guys. Want to see the Dumparooski starting to come in on S&P 500. Starting to come in. Let's see green and red here on NQ overall. Green and red. Hold here on NQ overall. Come on, baby. Give me it on NQ overall. If it comes in on NQ overall, we will get our dump. I know that this will dump if we get our red here. Give me it. Give me it. Come on, baby. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Give me it. It's coming in on SPY. Oops. Guys. Guys. Coming in on NQ overall. Starting to hit on NQ overall. Want to see red underneath our 50-day EMA. Excuse me. Want to see sellers. Take this thing away now. Sellers. Take this thing away now. Looking for a clean Dumparooski. It is right there, guys. One red candle just... Starting to come in. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Want to see a red candle? Let me put a trailing stop loss in. Ladies and gentlemen. Let me hit it. Let me hit him with it. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Waiting, watching. Getting it in, baby. Your Dumperooski has arrived, baby. Let this thing continue to sell off now, baby. Underneath these lows, more shorts incoming, guys. Underneath these lows for more shorts. Beautiful play. Want to see more shorts incoming now. Want to see more shorts incoming, guys. Beautiful play. Break those lows for more shorts, guys. You're looking for those next lows to come in. Beautiful play, ladies and gentlemen. We got room to go still, guys. Beautiful. Oh, I love it, baby. I love it, traders. I absolutely am in love with this play right now, guys. I am looking for more selling off to come in, but I will have to put a trailing stop loss in.
Order filled.
All right, I locked it up, guys. I did lock it up. 417 on it. Puts me up $100 on the day. Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are still holding, you guys are good for this 9-day EMA. Traders, right there's that 501 level you wanted to see break. It started to break, started to come back up. That is why I got out. That's why I took my own profit. Just got here, but good shit. Patience, patience, patience. Sexy mama candles. You got to rizz them up. You got to let them know what's up. You got to let them know how you think, you know. If I'm going to walk up to a chick, I'm approaching a girl. I'm not going to walk up and be like, hey, I seen you standing over here. Can I get your number? No. I'm going to walk up. I'm going to tell them straight up. Hey, I seen you standing over here. I thought you were, I thought you were, you know, I mean, you know, my eyes didn't deceive me. When they said a goddess from the skies was going to approach me today, and I was going to run into one. And here I am. Yup. And then they go like I'm 13 or something like that, and then things get a little weird. But out of that entire like, you know, scene, that's what you got to do though. They'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm like 13. You're like, oh, haha. So yeah, I'm kidding, obviously, guys. I'm kidding, ladies and gentlemen. I'm kidding. YB's joking. Want to put that out there? Make sure everyone knows that YB's joking. Anyways. Got out early, but profit is profit. Better than my loss yesterday. Yeah, buddy. AR trades to the house, ladies and gentlemen. I love it, buddy. I'm thinking about entering in here with 2 micros to the downside underneath 501 here. So, guys, we were able to capitalize. Catch basically a 60-point, excuse me, what is that, 9-9. About a 40, 50-point move there. From 09 to 69. About 40, 50 points. What is that? 509, 450, 46. No, never mind. I'm completely off because, yeah. No, never mind. 79, 89, 99, 09. Yeah. Guys, I see more shorts. Guys, I see more shorts. Starting to sell off here. Let's get one more Dumperooski. Underneath that pointer, you can go down to 550. That's it. Down to 550. That's it. Let's see it. See if we get down to 550. If not, finger on the trigger really quick. 2 micros. Finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger. Holding up? Nope. Starting to come back down here, guys. Holding underneath that 460 mark. Holding underneath 501. More shorts can come in. Telling you, man, if it holds underneath these points like it is right now, it's beautiful. More shorts. Looking for red to come in. If not, I'll get out. All right.
Order.
Oh my gosh, I loaded up Great Finance. That was an old crypto play from like 1903, guys. Okay. So just took a quick little stab at it. Still up 21. And that's what I'm saying, guys. So here's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Guys, still holding for some juice. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Just that 9-day. Use that 9-day, bro. Use that 9-day. It's so hard to do for myself, but I love using that. Look at that, guys. Literally just came in between our points here. Dumparooski. We able to capitalize $417 on that. If we were not already down on the day, that's how much we would have been up. Sometimes that's all you need is one trade, bro. One trade and you are good to go. I'm not going to say that's not going to come up again. I do see that happening again. Come up to this point, and I would love to see it here on NQ. And then I might take another stab at it. Now that we're green on the day, you can kind of relax a little bit more and start to chill out a little bit more, right? So I'm already green on the day. I'm going to continue to take these 5 micros or whatnot, but yes. Bitcoin! Bitcoin on the rise! Bitcoin on the come up! Back at 59K! I love it! I love it! Wait! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! That makes me so much more bullish at Bitcoin, guys. Oh my gosh, that makes me so much more bullish. If it holds here... Hold on, guys. I don't know why my charts just died on me. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. I know some of you guys aren't interested. By the way, 50-day EMA touch across the board here. Ooh, potential head and shoulders pattern. Hold on, guys. Potential head and shoulders pattern. Unless it gets a pop here, which that's what you're looking at. Or a potential head and shoulders would actually be right here, the view op. It would actually be the view op. On S&P again. That would be a proper head and shoulders. Okay, guys. Look at here on Bitcoin. If we get a lower shadow here and we come back up to like 61,000, and this is on the weekly chart, we come back up to like 61K, boys. You know what I'm thinking? We're going to start ripping and running above these highs, boys. We're going to start taking off. You know what I'm saying? So like this comes back up here, kind of like chills out around that area. We will start then taking off above those highs. All right, starting to come back up here on S&P. So that's why, if you guys are in Bitcoin, you guys are still chilling. I've been holding my Bitcoin personally. I haven't sold any Bitcoin yet, and I don't plan to until it breaks those highs. And Bitcoin also refers to some of those altcoins as well. So some of those altcoins will have the same effect, guys. Watch out for this view up for another short opportunity. Right up in that area for a head and shoulders pattern, guys. I guess that would have been the head and shoulders right there. That sell-off, right? Wow. I'm not going to take this, but I do see a spike up to this area. It could sell off realistically. Wow, look at that coming back down. Off that point right there, basically 500. 500 level holding up resistance. 502 holding up his resistance. Was not able to actually touch 502 yet. For sure not the best looking day in the world, but not the worst. So look at that, guys. Came up there. No, none of those EMAs at the top touch, so I did not take it. I did not take it there, guys. Hopefully some of you guys were able to capitalize off any of that move there. So we were able to catch a decent amount of that or whatnot. So, yes, guys. So, you know, still green on the day. I'm happy to be green, but, you know, I don't want to start. I started May off with a red day. I'm not looking to go back to back, right? So I got to be patient. If I would not have taken... And this is something I am still working on, guys. Look at which trade worked. No. Pause the music. No. Pause the music. Hold on. Give me a second. House music by Aubrey Ann. Hold on. House music by Aubrey Ann. Give me a second. Traders. Let's take a look at which trade for YB worked today. Would you look at that? The EMA strategy, which wasn't even the best EMA strategy because they're not even the tightest, but look at which one worked out today. Top resistance 720. Okay, I'm going to get in short here. Got short there. Boom. Just took that. If I would not have taken this, you know, the three trades prior that I did take, this I would have been walking away 417 on the day. Up $400, walk away. Hey guys, one trade today, $400, walking away. You know what I mean? It's like, so sometimes, guys, we have to really do that. And you know, now, I mean, and once again, I'm not gonna sit here and trade. I'm waiting for a proper setup. What's a proper setup? Back up near the 720 level, 520 level, back up to that area. I'm assuming that's gonna be around the view up level here. That's gonna be around this area here. I know I see all this upper shadow and basically wicking. So this is gonna be our new zoning area. Anywhere in between, I'd say here to right about there. On NQ. If you get up to this point right there, you can get your shorts coming back down for some more. You can say the equivalent on S&P would be right around here to here, right? And then the same goes for ES around that area as well. We're gonna go with ES right here. We're gonna go from about here to the here to here. So that, for you guys that trade basic supply and demand, there you go. So that is your demand zone, your supply zone, where your supply is then higher than your demand. So then it'll start to, you know, dump a rooski there off of that point, start to balance out. That's what I'm kind of expecting that to happen there. If that does not happen in that area, obviously that's when you have your tight stop loss. So you get in around this area here of basically 20. Your stop loss is literally like, you know, 33, 34. Max is 40. So if you're in 5 micros, you're losing a max of $200, right? So you have to know your risk to reward ratio on that. If your risk to reward ratio is that $200, and then let's say this thing dumps all the way back down to the trend line, down here at 60, you guys just call it, you know, what is that? $700 to lose, to maybe risk 200. So that's your thought process there. That would be mine as well. So, yep. So I could see it rejecting anywhere from basically anywhere underneath this 40 once it gets to this 20 point. It could reject right off 20. You get short at 20, rejects off 20, you're good to go. It might not even come up to that level. It could reject right here. It's looking good for shorts right now. Like, it looks good for shorts right now. I will not get filled, though. I cannot get filled. I'm already green on the day. I'm not going to go from green to red on the day just because of, you know, a bad entry when I could have just waited and had patience with it. But yeah, guys, that's my thought process, is just waiting until that point comes in. You know, we're really trying to dial it back a little bit because this week has been a hectic week, right? My mind isn't really, my mind's flowing. My mind's juiced up with energy, but I'm trying to work on a couple things to become the apps. I know I'm an amazing trader already. I'm going to tell you guys all the time that that's what you need to think. Like, even if you're not an amazing trader and you guys are just starting out, you need to think like you're an amazing trader. You have to be the trader that you want to be. Like, who do you want to be as a trader? Be that person, okay? Very simple, very easy, etc. Well, I obviously have been doing this for a couple of years now. I know that I'm an amazing trader. I have back tested basically strategies, and I also have data on my charts for my last, like, for 2020, actually since April 11th. So if we load up the chart from April 11th, bro, let's take a look at it. From April 11th, let's go to my files. Oop, that's mail. Excuse me. Okay. Yep. Nope. Mail. Just do your thing, buddy. Take your time. Take your time. Okay. Bring my files over here. We're going to go on here. We're going to go to right here. Boop. April 2024 trading month. There you go. That's what my trading month looked like for April from the 11th. That's it. 2 red days. Guys, I had 2 red days, guys. That's it. Since the 11th, man. I had the 8th and 9th, I will say, were both red days as well. I remember those days. I remember them being red days, and I remember that's the only other red days I had. I didn't have the data, though. So I didn't have the data to prove that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. But I'm just showing you guys this because, like, this is something that I suggest all of you guys do so you can go back and reflect on it. You can go back and be like, okay, I know that I'm a good trader and stuff like that. It's just maybe certain marketing conditions aren't setting up right now. I'm starting to lose my patience due to the fact that the thing I'll say, and this is something some of you guys might struggle with, is when, and this is me coming from a confident, not cocky level. I promise you that. I am coming from a confident, not cocky level when I say this. When you don't lose a lot, when you barely lose, sometimes taking a loss is hard, right? Because you're not used to it. You're not used to walking away on the day red. You know what I mean? Right? I walked away red on the day 4 times in the entire month of April. You know what I mean? So I'm like, wow. You know, like when you come out, especially because I was on the 30th, and then I was on the 30th. Tuesday was also, that was Tuesday, wasn't it? Oh, excuse me. Yep, that was Tuesday. Yesterday was red as well. So it's like back-to-back red days here, and that's what happened here. Why? Because it was red, then we had CPI data, and then I was green, and then that's all what happened, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting right up to that spot there, the view up again, guys. Right up to our view up spot, 200 there, view up there, guys. Might be an entry for a short. Gonna wait on it, though. Gonna wait. I see us getting a little bit above here as we're just entering in the zone. But just letting you guys know, that's definitely it. So, you know, you have to know and realize when, you know, that you're a profitable trader and everything. Wow, still rejecting here. Want to see what happens. I want to see. I'm sad. I don't want to be the guy, but I do want to see this break. I want to see this break, and I want to see NQs come into play. I think S&Ps is used and abused already. It was already seen. So I would love to see it spike back up here above and then hit on NQ. Back up to 520. So don't reject yet on me. Let's see. NQ overall is super tight. Right there. Give me a little green candle pop. There we go. I'm looking for 520, guys. I'm looking for 520. I just want to see what happens there. I'm just going to wait and see what happens, guys. So you guys see our triangle pattern here. I'm looking for the shorts right here down to our trend line then. Right here we go. Right here's 520, guys, just like I was saying. Okay, we're getting a little bit above 520 now. Let's see if we can hold out. We're in the area. We got view up. We got view up. We got 200-day approaching. Now we're getting up to our 200-day EMA. We're above that little view up there. I want to see an upper shadow start to form. Yeah, view up, view up, view up. 200-day, guys. Patience on it. Up to our 200-day right there, guys. Okay, if this starts to get a little cray-cray, we just got to wait. 200, 200, 200. Just have to wait. I see a little bit of a pop here. Let's see. A little bit of your pop. Let's see. Yeah. I honestly don't mind a fill here. I don't mind a fill here. I don't mind it. I really don't. Starting to struggle near that 200. I'm going to get in on a short. My stop loss is going to be 42 flat. Maybe 41. We'll do 41. It should not go above 40 is what I'm trying to say. Anything above 40 is not good. So I'm looking at that right there. I want to see it start to fall back off of this 200-day right there. 40 was my ultimate stop loss. I want to see it come down here. I would love to see a red candle come back down to this 9-day right there, guys. So that's all I'm looking at. That's all I'm looking for. Little red candle come down to that 9-day. See what we got going. NQ overall right there. About to flip the script. Going red on NQ overall, guys. NQ overall starting to go red, guys. Starting to go red here on NQ. S&P, ES. Let's see it, baby. Want to see that red come in. Keep that red going. I love it if it can hold up. I want to see that red come in, traders. Breaking 20 to the downside. 20 to the downside. Beautiful, give me a red. Want to see that red come in right here, boys. Want to see that red come in here, traders. Want to see a nice green and red on NQ overall. So close. Look at that thing. Want to see red, 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 time and sales. So close to that red side, man. We are getting a little bit up there, but I know that that thing can reject off that 200 right now, where it's at, and just start dumping. Down back to under our lows of like 60 would be beautiful. Let's see, man. Red, red, red. I want to see NQ overall start falling here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Start falling here, NQ overall. NQ overall right there, man. Big upper shadow on it. Big upper shadow on that play. Starting to come down, boys. Starting to come down, boys. Want to see that red come in. Want to see that red come in, guys. Right there it is, man. It's so close. Underneath that 9, man. Gotta see it get underneath that 9. 200-day is the view up here on ES. Right there. Give me another upper shadow and you're good to go, but we just have to wait and see, guys. So I have the right play here. I know I have the right direction. Just have to wait and see. Get that back to green. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get everything back to going here. Get everything back to the downside here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go back to the downside here. Come on, baby. Give me a red candle here. Ah, okay, traders. So there it goes. 115 on it. I might have to re-enter. Hold on. Waiting and watching here, guys. I might wait for the 20 break. I might wait for that 20 break. Woo! So traders. Oh, you think NQ could just blow? I don't think NQ is gonna blow through here. I don't think it will. What is it? Bro gets in a trade, then turns up the music. Vibes during a trade makes it more likely to win. Yeah, right, dude. That's exactly it. You turn up the music, you don't think about it, more likely to win. That's how it works here, man. Market is very slow as of right now, though, traders. I will say that. They're down 98 bucks. Bro science, exactly. ES shows weakness. Sellers come in 9-day on ES. Yeah, we got to break that 9. We have to break this 9 right here for the direction to start to shift. Just like this one right here, right? Just like this one right here. Look at that. 9's holding up now. Oh, we're finally breaking above here. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to get that new trend, right? I see more shorts coming in right there, boys.
Order filled.
I am going to get short and have a really tight stop. That's fine. I do see shorts coming in right here, boys. A nice red candle dumper here. I have that stop right there at 40. I don't know what the high of that candle is right there. Hold on. It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter, though. Like, it should not come back up to there if the red's coming in. 42.50. Like, it really shouldn't matter. I don't think 42.50 is coming in. I want to see red here. That's it. I see a dumper down to this 50-day, boys. At least down to that 50-day, guys. 50-day, 50-day, 50-day coming in. Starting to get your little bit of a crack. Starting to get a little bit of a dumper-rooski. Yeah, right here, 50-day. 50-day, I'll say view up on NQ overall. I'll be conservative. Say view up on NQ overall. Guys, just having that patience. Having that patience here, guys. I love it. I love it. So, beautiful play of this thing right here. Break that 9-day EMA like butter. Break it like butter. Break it like butter, brother. Break it like butter, brother. Breaking it like butter. Love it. Want to see a dumper-rooski right here. Dumper-rooski, some may say. Want to see that red come in? Boom. Hit that thing up. Hit that thing up, baby. Just give me that red. Don't even worry about it. Red, red, red on that time and sales is what I'm looking for as well, guys. I love it. I love it. I feel great. I feel great about this one right here, guys. I want to see that red come in, though. I mean, I feel amazing. I want to see that red coming down below the 9. I'll know that this is verified cracking and Dumperuski is coming in. Want to see that red come in? Can push below this point here of 20. I feel confident. Below that 9-day EMA especially as well. Beautiful play. Look at that red. Give me a nice red right here, boys. Give me a nice red dumper. NQ overall, I got my eyes on that. If that dumps here, it is so close, man. It's okay. It's okay. Just have to have patience. Patience on the play. Let everything cook. Patience on the play. Let everything cook. Let everything breathe. Want to see red, red, red here, man. So we're looking for that Dumparooski down to the price of where would you get out then, YB? If it does dump here, when it dumps and stuff like that, when you're getting out, I would honestly, I'm just going to put a buy limit at 60. A buy limit there at 60, not a bad play at all. I want to see a red candle come in here on S&P 500. Right up to its 200-day. I love that. I love that, guys. Very tight consolidation period there. I want to see that red. I want to see that red Dumparooski at this high. I feel like we're right there for it. I truly do. I truly do, guys. I'm gonna be honest, man. I really do. I have some sort of confidence in this play of like right there's the head, right here's the shoulders, a little bit of an upper shadow, dump. That's it. Right there's that 200-day. If it's gonna break, it will break, and I don't want to be in. But if it's gonna go right here's another shoulder, I would need a dump right there.
Stop fill.
So now it's going up. All right, guys. 200 on it. Absolutely nothing I can do about it, guys. Look at the S&P 500 today. You have your nice big dump, but now there's not much you can do. We're above our view up on all these points. We're above our 200-day on all these points. There's just nothing we can really do now, you know? You can play the long side. That's beautiful or whatnot, but I just don't feel confident about the longs. I don't feel like I cannot buy in high and hold high. This is with 2 micros to the downside, right? So it's like, but I can't buy high and expect it to go higher. I'm not a momentum trader like that. I am a reversal trader. And today's just one of those days that I truly don't feel as if was an amazing day when it comes down to it. I don't really like the price action. The volume's okay or whatnot, up to 200,000 for the start, getting a little bit slower here. But I just don't think that, you know, anything great is coming from this right now, right? Done on the day after getting stopped out there. Yeah, I think I'm agreeing myself. I think I'm gonna be with you there, LJ. As much as I love this play, as much as I love the, you know, trading stocks, you know, you take a look at NQ. We're basically where we opened, right? We're basically where we opened. We have our little dump, little trend line forming. That's cool and all, but there's not much we can really do here, guys. We tried our best. We did everything we could to capitalize on this. We had patience and whatnot. If we would have only taken one trade today, we would still be green. We'd be green to about 200 bucks. We'd be green. So this is another lesson, guys, and I feel like that lesson's going to keep implementing itself until I have enough patience to wait on it, okay? So until I have enough patience to wait on it, that lesson will forever implement itself of do not trade unless that EMA strategy is presenting itself. That is just for me. For some of you guys have amazing strategies. You guys have amazing plays, and you guys know exactly where you know, can get filled and get in. Myself, I know that my EMA strategy is the only strategy I should be taking. One strategy is all I need. One trade is all I need every single day, and you can bang. If that's on one mini, that's an $800 play. That's 800 bucks that day for what? For what? You know what I mean? So traders, big chilling out. Absolutely chilling on the day. Yeah. So with it starting to spike up here, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I feel as if I'm good. There's no point continuing to trade. I may trade tomorrow. I may not. Once again, if that EMA strategy presents itself, sure, I'll take a trade. If not, I'm not going to take a trade at all. I'll be donezo on the day. Completely good to go. Apple earnings tonight, ladies and gentlemen. AA. Oh, man, what did I just look up here? Let's find it, man. This is the 2 times ETF of Apple. AK saying SPY, here comes 503.50. Yeah, buddy. Let's see. AAPB, guys. AAPB is the 2 times ETF on Apple, guys. So if you guys have Thinkorswim, you guys will be able to trade that. Let's see. Okay. So my shares, my brokerage for shares does not what is it? Does not give the opportunity. Now looking at the 50-day, what is it? Retracement to the 50-day for more longs. Yeah, I mean, that's not a bad play. I mean, you know, you're right there's your view up 50. Right here is your 50-day. Right here's your 50-day. I'm not against that at all, yeah. Little retracement down to that point. If it comes in, you are good to go. Yeah, I'm with you. But ladies and gentlemen, YB is wrapping this one up, guys. I hope you guys have had a blast at least here. I know we got a little cray-cray on the trading and stuff like that, but, you know, we're trying to dial it back and whatnot. So, guys, wrapping up the day right now. I might still take that 50-day trade right there, 50-day and view up right there. I love it, but that has to present itself. But I am going to hop off a while and everything like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I love you all, man. We're going to wrap up this Turn Thursday, man, with a good yeah, buddy. And we'll be back at 9:15 a.m. tomorrow for some more of this money market, baby. All right, guys, take it easy. Let's get a good yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Traders, I love you all, man. I cannot wait till then. Take it easy. Peace. My button's not working. Love you all, guys. All right, take it easy. Peace. You, stop scrolling. This is going to determine your entire life. What you do in this very moment determines your life. Not with this fucking TikTok. I'm talking about the age you're at right now. Whether you want to be a millionaire or billionaire, you're going to be broke in the fucking side of the street. You have to lock in. Whether you want to go to the NFL, you want to run an e-com store, be a stock trader, I don't give a fuck. I'm saying that what you got to do it with 100% every single day showing up to the party. Every single day showing up and putting in the work. And if you do not, somebody else will. The devil is mocking you. The devil laughs in your face when you say you want to be a millionaire, when you say you want to be rich, when you say you want to make it, the devil laughs at you because you're not doing shit to prove it. Lock in, bro. Fucking lock in.